Each step, swing and placement of head and hand strips a layer, shedding the vulnerable sheaths of what was familiar, transforming death. The forms delve through movement into an asymmetrical mirror. The steps turn into layers of momentum. The swinging depths of the soul soar loudly as the mirror unmasks the death of the self and rebirths a reflection of a virtual garden where the body resonates in motion. The river flows beside me, weaving a way towards my reflection, like the ripples on the surface of an ocean. I glisten with light. An amber glow arches into the center of my being. I look to the new day, awaken, and unfurl my flesh into space, suspended in time. Each spiral unfolds, hankering the unknown destination of an ether and a serendipitous score. The ebb and flow of the digital tide exudes within my body. The fluid structures of movement flow in, out, and around in a raw form, protruding left, right, and spiraling in the concave crevices of a calla lily's belly. My spine extends like the calla lily's stamen, looking to the rising sun, pulsing in stillness. Light illuminates my skin.